Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken curry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, either thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 1 can of diced tomatoes for that rich, creamy base. These are your foundational elements for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's build our incredible flavor base. Measure out 1 tablespoon of your favorite curry powder, 1 teaspoon of vibrant turmeric, and a ½ teaspoon of earthy cumin. These spices are key. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it turns beautifully translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step creates a sweet foundation. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add more depth. Stir in your minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your chicken pieces to the pot, stirring occasionally until they are lightly browned on all sides. This helps seal in the juices. Finally, pour in the creamy coconut milk and the diced tomatoes, giving everything a good stir. Bring this wonderful mixture to a gentle simmer. For the grand finale, reduce the heat to low, cover your pot, and let your curry simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and the chicken to become incredibly tender. Check to ensure the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly to your liking. Serve your absolutely delicious chicken curry hot, perhaps with fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.